Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? This time very shock news for all Shiba Inu holder, my brother. And absolutely in this video I predicate this coin, I do a technical analysis, and absolutely I share my opinion in this video. So kindly holders, don't skip any second of this video and be safe from the loss, because the holders are doing very big mistake. So this video is going to be very special for all holders now. My brother, Shiba Inu is completely moving upward. The price is increased now from last 7 days. 12.7% the price is increased now, and max of life, you can change account last 24 hours. If you can see, my friend, this time minus 7.96% the price is decreased now from last 24 hours. So it's a really shock news for all of you. You can see, my friend, in last 7 days, this time you can see, my friend, 12% the price is in a profit, but last 24 hours you can see, my friend, they lost 7%. So it's mean, my brothers, they are completely and the loss in the same time. And this is the one reason, the main reason is that, my friend, the holders are doing very big mistake and very bad mistake now. So if you do this mistake, so you are completely in the loss. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for more this type guidance and absolutely updates videos now. So in last 24 hours, in last 1 hour, you can say, my friend, 0.42% the price is in the profit. So it's mean, my brothers, so Shiba Inu is again wake up now, and the price is starting increasing now. So one thing, my friend, I want to tell you in the same time, Shiba Inu holders, especially after the mid of month, every cryptocurrencies will wake up and go in the moon. So therefore, my friend, after a mid of month, every cryptocurrency is starting moving upward, and this time the Shiba Inu is also, I hope, my friend, starting moving upward now. So because at the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving upward now. So therefore, I will tell you, my brothers, the good time is coming soon, but just in only, my friends, you need to hold it now. So the price I will be increasing, because after a fails, every cryptocurrencies take a jump. So therefore, I know, my brothers, Shiba Inu has also wake up and take a jump now. So let's see to what they do, but kindly holders, you need to hold it and don't sell it, please. And if you have any plan to invest more, please research personally, but my advice is that to please hold it. And if you have any plan to invest more, so invest now. It's a very good time for you, my brother. Thanks for watching, Shiba Inu holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.